Okay, Matthew here from Tango Man Tactical. Everybody knows about my 14 5-inch Bushmaster that the paint just is flawless on it. No, it doesn't have Mr. Fancy Pants get-ups on it, but it does a job. You can see my thumb's in a way. But it was turned out so nice, I don't want to run that thing. So I built another one, 14.5. The upper was $170 from Right to Bear Arms. Got all the goodies, binary trigger, Vortex 1x8, so on and so forth. You get the idea. Stay sober, stay vigilant. God bless.